Hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today, I like to talk about the 4 questions you can ask your child to help questioning the thoughts that he might have about a certain situation that happened in his life. Maybe at school, maybe when playing with friends, maybe whatever circumstances. There are always circumstances. A whole day is full of circumstances. So, whatever happens in your child's life or in your own life, you can help your child have different thoughts or question the thought that he or she has about certain situation. But first, I like to remind you about the introduction workshop about how to give space for emotions and limits to behavior with children, because it can be quite a challenge when raising children. And how do you combine those two? It is possible, and I like to give you some tips and tricks how you can help your child in situations like this. And I hope to see you there at the introduction workshop. More information below at the description. For now, I like to move on and tell you what you can do when you see that your child is suffering in a certain situation, and it does not have the result that you want your child to have. And as I told you before, it's the thought that produces a feeling, and that generates an action, and that causes an outcome. So you know, as a parent, it's the thought that you can help your child with. Now, what questions? First of all, make sure you know what thought is causing this, what thought is producing this feeling. So it can be, everyone thinks I'm stupid, or no one in this entire world loves me, or I'm not good enough, or whatever thought your child might have. Always find the thought that is producing that triggers the thought, and that produces a feeling. So make sure you found out that one. That's the first step. Now that you know that maybe the thought is no one in this entire world loves me. If your child has to deal with such thoughts, that is of course not helpful thought. Well, what are the 4 questions you can ask your child so you can help your child? First of all, is this thought true? Because it's good to ask this first question and to look at your child, how your child responds. If your child says, no, it's not true, it's not that everyone in this world, there's no one in this world who loves me, everyone hates me, that's not true, then you can skip the second question. But if it says, yes, it's really true, no one in this entire world loves me, mommy or daddy, then you can go to the second question. The second question you can ask your child is, are you 100,000% sure that this thought is true? That no one in this entire world loves you? Then here this is the phase that most children will start to doubt and will start to question, yeah, maybe it's not 100,000% sure. Then you move to the third question. The third question is, what feeling do you get when you have a thought like this? And if you, in this phase, you can help your child find the right, name the right emotion. For some children, it is hard to name it. So help your child name it, like, I feel angry, or I feel sad, or I feel lonely, or just try to help you. If your child does not come up with a feeling, it's hard for him or her to find the right words, you can help your child find the right words for this emotion. And then you can also say something like, yes, I will fully understand that you feel awful when you have the thought that no one loves me. So you can tell your child to say that it's okay, and that you can understand when you have a thought like that, you have a feeling like that. So yeah, that's normal. If you've thought like that, you have a feeling like that. So yeah, that's awful. That is really awful to have that. So then the fourth question is, how would you feel if you would no longer have this thought? With the most children, they will start to laugh. If I do not have this thought that no one in this entire world loves me, if I do not have this thought anymore, yes, then it feels a lot, it gives me a lot more, it feels me a lot better. So yes, that's when most children have enough, and then they start to laugh. And of course, if it does not happen, you can go deeper into this, and you can find, there are other questions you can ask your child. But for this video, I think those 4 questions will already bring you far, and I will not go any deeper. It will make it very complex for now. So I will keep it, I will try to motivate you to try to remember those 4 questions. It will already start to help you move into the right direction, to question the thought, to help your child with that. And so your child will have, you can help your child have a different emotion when having a different thought. Okay, I hope you liked it. Thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel. And for now, this is it. And I'd like to see you in the next episode. Bye bye.